In a cheerful kitchen, a curious tongue becomes a tiny explorer, mapping 5 flavors like a treasure map, and reveals how taste buds send signals to the brain. The animation shows sour, sweet, salty, and bitter as different colored friends, lighting up tiny doors on the tongue with each bite, while the brain decodes their messages into tastes and memories. A playful scientist explains how smell, texture, and temperature join the party, turning food into a full flavor story. Viewers are encouraged to test flavors at home with safe, quick experiments and notice how sensations change.